Okay, go put those granola bars away.
Then why is it stand upside down?
It's not, just put it away.
Right.
Just take it out, it's not upside down.
Yes.
No, it's not.
Yes.
Just take it out. Can you just take it out? Sasha,
Yeah.
how did you spill all of those things?
Because it's upside down.
You know what? I did this exact same trick to Lyle, and he actually fell for it, and when he opened it, all the granola bars fell.
What? Tell me the whole story.
Yeah, okay.